To replace the switch on your EZ-8, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using an 11mm wrench, remove the 6 bolts holding the switch cover plate to the pump housing. Next, unscrew the number 20 Torx screw holding the switch to the pump and remove the switch from the pump. Then unscrew the 2 Phillips head screws holding the pump wires to the switch terminals. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. To install the new switch, reconnect the pump wires as shown, taking care to attach the correct wire to each terminal. Then reinsert the switch into the cavity. Then reinstall the cover plate, taking care to align the switch actuator on the cover plate with the electrical switch. Ensure the O-ring is properly seated before tightening the switch cover plate.